Yes, I believe that there is a beast in my neighborhood. It looks like a large lion. It's not a mountain lion. It's some sort of huge cat, bear. Like it kind of moves like a bear, and it's like a lion. I've seen it just in the shadows. A bird died at my entrance to the house, and I'm gonna let that creature get it. I'm just gonna leave it there as I go to Lexington. Just don't touch it or anything. Just leave it. The creature will get it. Circle of life, everything. So and yes, I like to feel like I'm one with the birds. I was one with them at In and Out Burgers. I give them food and stuff. I'm very united with the birds, and that goes back to the Croatian that we were at the top floor of Parkwest or Parkside, whatever it is, and yeah, this Croatian, he was like, "What's going on down there?" And it was like Shirt and Billy were holding hands, and that's one of the first times that I knew the gay corporate was intruding on my life, and in a big way that was even with men. It wasn't just the militant lesbians; it was with men, and it was starting to take over. So I faced all of that, and that's what goes on the dirty cross. When I die, that'll be put into eternal fire, and I will rise in 3 days or maybe even less. So that's what I look forward to, and nothing can change it. It's sealed by Baal Shalisha and the Bible 52 that only the peoples can see. Going back to the Denmark-Canada agreement, the before that was Abel turned from um, counter of sheep to keeper of sheep, and after the Denmark-Canada agreement was Olivia Newton-John, and then it was Robbie Coltrane, and then it was Bob Knight, and we've been going ever since with the Benjamin Living Seal and what you see if you live in America, which is the adder, which is different from a serpent. A serpent is a water snake. An adder eats the mouse whole, and you can see that it has eaten by its body. And what the adder is doing is putting in word into the Bible that is very sport oriented and social media oriented. And what is going on is he is severely hurting the ghost. And I explained that he is the ram horn of Medea, and he is using media, okay? And with the sports, he is very Medea as well. So be on watch. Thank you. Have a good night.